What if? This is the basic question the art pieces behind me are asking about Ukraine's future. 5 works were created by 32 Ukrainian artists as part of the American Arts Incubator in Kyiv. These speculative designs include digital renderings, 3D prints, textile works, videos, and projections. Tiara Ribaud, an artist from California, lectured the young Ukrainian artists on what exactly is speculative design.
It's an amazing tool in which to reimagine both our present situation and what the future could look like, both, on a person-to-person level, on an environmental level, for both architectures as well as, cities and governments.
Tiara sees the young participants as emergent tributaries, thus the title of the exhibition. It's also a reference to the river Dnipro, a crucial ecosystem for Ukraine. One group of artists conjured up a floating island on the Dnipro that combines seemingly contradictory parts of the Ukrainian identity.
We decided to make the island, which is kind of floating, which is moving, and not like grounded, it's like independent and so on, like also symbolic meaning. And we decided to put there some objects that each of us trying to implement and think that it can really improve the situation in society, at least in Ukrainian one.
One more group of artists looked deep into the past to see the possible future. They imagined how Palooka, an ancient Ukrainian symbol of the universe, can be used as a model to build future cities.
We use this Palooka symbol as a kind of ideal model of the cosmos and the social realm. With the help of architects and graphic designers on our team, we tried to create such a utopian, dystopian project where the past, present and future intersect.
Another group decided to rethink the boundaries between public and private spaces. They created a room where a visitor could feel cozy while getting into the head of one of the artists.
Actually, art exhibitions, especially the openings of exhibitions, are rarely comfortable. And here, using different textures, fabrics, sound and color, we tried to achieve the maximum state of coziness, calm. If you put on the headphones, you can listen to voices and ideas for different art projects of all participants and watch us in the form of such rotating 3D models.
The Emergent Tributaries exhibition will continue until April 5th at the iZone Creative Community in Kiev. Artur Kornienko and Vyacheslav Smirnov for uatv.